Look at this, and even this one. I was able to generate all of those under 5 minutes using AI only. So if I can do it, you definitely can do it also for your dream project. And that will be useful if you have limited budget or you can't hire a designer. And in today's video, we're going to take into the action uxpliot, which convert the text into the design like mobile application, landing page, website, dashboard, and so on. So without any further ado, let's jump directly and create the first design. Type uxpilot.ai in the browser and then start it for free. Sign up with Google. Then you click on the sign new design file. Let's give it a name, for example, demo. Create, and as you can see, this is available credit. We have about 90, and that's come with a free account. As you can see, here is two options. We could design wireframe, which is black and white of the structure, or we could hit like hi-fi design, which means the final result. So let's choose this one, and then we choose this latest model from them, which is standard May 25. Next, we choose whether it's desktop or mobile. Let's go with the desktop. And then we have the context, which is the description about the product itself. And finally, we could create with deep design and create workflow. Got it here and create AI SaaS landing page. Save it and then enhance prompt. Now, as you can see, it has been enhanced in the prompt, the AI SaaS platform, and then the purpose of it. Using AI SaaS platform, highlight the feature, convert the visitor into user and subscriber, some UI components such as hero section, feature, testimony, pricing, footer, and so on. So that would be fine. Then we could hit to deep design, and that costs about 12 credits. So let's try it. So this is the first result, and it's come with the following option. You could save it to the Figma, but let's go with the Pro version. Secondly, you could use this as a reference and preview it. So we will hit to another preview. Let's have the navigation bar at the top, and then some hero section, testimony, and then some feature, how it's work, customer, and then pricing, and so on. Follow what we have been asked here. The hero section, feature, testimony, pricing section, footer, and so on. For the visualization, it used the light mode, the primary color, the blue, support contact, light gray, and so on. If something like not went very well, for example, this area is too blue, we could go here into the pencil, click on the section edit, and after I click it, you should be able to redesign this section. So nextly, we're going to create a dashboard instead of landing page. I asked ChatGPT, you could also use a Gemini for sure, create CRM, customer relationship management dashboard, but instead of template for landing page, we'll be using a dashboard. So I just copied this one here and paste it in this section from here. And it came up with the following result. For example, have header, sidebar, dashboard overview, customer management section, pipeline data, and so on, using the same thing and other styling instruction. So let's copy this one here, clear it, save it. We could also click here and enhance prompt just to make sure that we have everything aligned with that one, and then go deeply design. For sure, we will use this one for desktop and generate. So let's go here again and preview it. So as you can see, it has given it the project name, search area, notification and setting. We have been logged in. On the left side, the sidebar consists of the dashboard, customer, deals, task, report setting, and so on. And teams such as sales, team, marketing, support. In the main area, that's have been considered UX pretty good. For example, highlight the title, where is the navigation, some subtitle, primary and secondary button, and next has been created some of the cards with the statistics about it, and then the two type of chart here, and definitely the pipeline. So has been 5 out of 5. Final one, since it's not limited to landing page and dashboard, we were gonna ask it to build mobile application. This time we're gonna create fitness app, for example. Can you create fitness app? Select it, enhance prompt. Let's open it one more time. Home screen, provide the user a quick overview of their fitness, progress, daily goals, access to feature, and enhance their workout experience, and some UI components, visualization. Wonderful. Let's update the context, generate, and give it a moment to generate it. Nice. Let's go here and preview it again with the hero section and then some actions, upcoming workout. So most likely this is going to be a scroll area, and then upcoming workout, recent achievement notification, then definitely like workout statistics and notification. So for example, you could use this one as a demo, or you could start to build that one. Do you think that the designer will lose their job by the AI since it have been generating good stuff here? Or will you use this one tool for building or scratch your application idea? Do you think that will be useful? If you are interested to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.